The next topic is to calculate the row sum and column sum in a two-dimensional array. So what's the first block? As you know, the first block will be the variable declaration block. So here, along with ij, I have taken row equal to 0 and column equal to 0. And as usual, we have declared a um, array variable. The next block will be the input block. So I'm taking the input of all the array elements a of ij as usual. You see here ij and then a of I is equal to in dot next end. What will be the next block? The printing the matrix form. So whatever element I am taken, I am printing it in the matrix form. The logic will be the same as explained. Coming to the calculation block. So first one I'm calculating the row sum. I have taken I and j, and after taking the variable of I and j, what am I doing? I am calculating the row and the column addition. So row is equal to row plus already row is 0, right? A of I and j. So A of I and j is the number of rows and the column. So here whatever it is, I am calculating the row that is 0 0 one one 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 3. So it will be like 1 1 1 0 1 2 1 3. So the calculation will be stored in R. The next block will say how to calculate the column. Always I have told you row represents I and column represents j. So if I have to do the calculation for column addition, column is equal to column plus a of ji. Only this change you have to make. Row is a of ij. You have to understand that row equal to a of ij, whereas column is equal to a of ji. So that is what you have to understand here, row and the column addition. And the next one, if you see, after doing the row and the column addition, I'm printing the output, that is row sum is equal to R and column sum is equal to R.